Hello. In this video, we are going to see how we can integrate the Google Sheet with the SQL Advanced Form Builder. Okay, so let's select the first form. Okay, so in the form, you can see all your created forms. So I'm selecting the return request form here. Okay, so just edit this. Okay, then you can see the one Google Sheet integration tab here. Okay, so here first we need to create the Google Sheet. So let's create the first sheet. Okay, so here I'm creating the sheets. Okay, sheets.new will create a new Google Sheet. Okay, so here let's give the title first. What is my form title? So my form title is it's a return request form. Okay, so let's return request form leads. Okay, and I'm giving the name here like my data. Okay, so what we need to do here, you can see some points like yes, I want to enable the sheet integration, then I need to give the access to this one. Okay, I'm copy this one and giving the access to specific this. I'm giving the editor access. You should give the editor access, then send it. Share any. Yeah, that's it. Now here you can see we have to give the two things: spreadsheet ID and spreadsheet name. Spreadsheet name will be this, my data, and the spreadsheet ID will be this. Here you can see the URL. We have a docsgoogle.com, then spreadsheet, then D. Okay, after the D you can see the one unique ID till the edit word. Okay, you need to copy this entire ID, then you need to paste here. That's it. Now you have to save this. That's it. The integration has successfully done. Now if you check, let's submit the form. I'm adding my data like taste, support, order ID 120456, order date, invoice number, reply wrong size, and online. Now I'm submitting the data. Okay, form is successfully submitted, and you can see all the data is here. Okay, so this is how you can integrate the Google Sheet with the Form Builder app. So let me know if you have a question or something.